Hello guys, welcome back again my new video. My name is Ajosthi and you are watching Double Custom. Today I am going to make Pennywise character with acrylic colors. Please watch the video till the end. So let's get started. First of all I am doing to make his face. I have already drawn this outline. I am using 3 layers to paint his face. In the first layer I am using grey color, after that some white color, and then I am using sky blue and white color to highlight the emotions and marks. After that I am going to paint his eyes and teeth with black and white color. Now I am going to paint his lips with dark red or maroon color and highlight it with black color. Now I am going to paint the balloon with light red color and highlight it with black and white color. After that I am going to paint his hair. In this part I am using orange, brown and black color and also using white color to highlight his hair. Now I am going to paint his dress. In this part I have used hard stroke to paint and shade it with black color. At the end, I am going to paint the background with matte black color, and after that I am using red color to paint the roof. finally the painting is ready to watch. I hope guys you are enjoyed the video. If you like my video, then hit the like button, and if you are new, then subscribe to my channel and share the video too. Thank you. See you again in next video.